apples for me. Let's recount 1 and 2 and 3. Apples for me. 4, 5, 6.
Huh?
Oranges for you.
Wow!
4, 5, 6.
Fantastic!
Oranges for you.
Hello? Blue and red. Violet. Red and yellow. Orange. Blue and yellow. Green. Green and red. Brown.
Look at you, little kitty. Can't see anymore. Where's my yellow?
Red,
Ears and hands.
orange,
Yes, I
orange,
lost my
yellow,
color.
green,
Please, somebody
blue.
help.
1, 2,
Where is my
3,
kitty
4.
color? That's not the one I live for. No, this is not mine. No, this is not right. My color's yellow and bright.
I love my purple. I love my purple fur.
Look at you, little rhino.
Good job.
Can't see it anymore.
Woohoo! Fantastic!
Whoops! I love my balloon. I love my balloon. It's so pretty and it's mine, my lovely green balloon. Balloon, balloon, I'll catch you now.
Wow!
Red shark,
Oh.
hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red shark.
What?
Hello, hello, turn around and show your fin. Red shark, hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, come on, show us how you swim. Red shark.
Ew! Water. Food coloring. Aha! Oil. Let's go! Aspirin. Wow! Fantastic! Woohoo! Let's go! Aha!
Burn my house down.
Cool! Yellow! Blue!
Wheel, go, go, go. I'm coming to the rescue. I'll take the hose and put out the firefighter girl. Help me, please. Help me, please. I am scared. I am scared. There are noises in my closet. What if that's a monster? Fall, fall.
Wow!
Oh no!
Huh? Oh, wow! Woohoo!
I like pink and I like blue. Pink,
Oh.
pink, pink, blue, blue, blue. Everything I like is pink, and everything I like is blue. You ruined my pink.
Wow!
Oh no, no. What can I do?
Woohoo! Great! Ew! Wow! Aha!
Is that a box?
Wow!
Wow.
Excellent!
This box. La, la, la.
Fantastic!
I'll place an apple and see if koala can guess what's
1, 2, 3.
Fresh cupcakes, pies are the best.
Great!
Yummy donuts.
Ew. Aha! New moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing, gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, waning crescent. Let's go! Great! Woo-hoo! Stop!
Oh no!
1,
Ew.
2, 3 little babies, 4 little
Hey, girl.
Wow.
babies, 5,
Great!
5 little
Wow.
babies
Whoa.
are getting on the
Excellent! Fantastic! Good job! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Hmm.
One by one,
Good job!
getting on the bus.
Wow! What is this? A fright factory? No! With this factory, we can study insects and even animals. Let's open it. Here we have instructions. And here we have a laboratory where we will create our animals. Whoa! How interesting! These gels will help us in creation. Take a stencil and apply the gel. We get a purple bat, a green caterpillar, and a purple snake. Aha! Whoa! Wow, so cool!
Time for some music, grab on them mic. La 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 la. This doesn't sound nice. When it's a puzzle game, let's do this. Fill this puzzle piece by piece.
Hmm.
Where do they go? Where do they go? It's a kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, you're so cute. Kitty, I love you.
Look.
Meow, meow, meow.
Wow!
Playing with mud is so much fun. Playing with mud is so much fun. Oopsie.
Fantastic!
Ouch.
No! When we make a mess, dirty, dirty mess, yucky, yucky mess, the insects will come live with us. So just
Wow!
like a dirty road.
Let's go! Ha!
What? Oh no! Uh-huh.
Wow! Whoa! Yeah! Let's go! Ew! Excellent! Aha!